coding of your BOQ in the program, okay, or making activity codes for major KPIs in your project, or you want to code your activities to show different resources, uh, you know. So for that reason, one should develop uh, activity codes, and especially for the BOQ. So what is the first step? The first step is we will go to enterprise, and from enterprise we will select on activity codes. Okay. So over here in this project, I will develop some new codes here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to, because this is, I will not click on global or EPS. I will click on project. Okay. And then I will click on, I will click on add button. Not over here actually. I will go to global again, modify. Yes. Yeah. I will click on modify. So here we have activity codes. We will click on modify, and then we will add one new code. We'll name it as, maybe we can add it as a KPIs, major KPIs. Okay. We'll close this one. So we will see here in this list of the project, major KPI code is being given here. Now we can subdivide this code into, like, let's say, for example, we can say Curbstone works. We'll assign code value KW, for example. We can add another code, like, asphalt, ASP, and asphalt works. This I'm just giving example, asphalt works. Okay. We'll close this one. So if we want to go to the activity codes, and let's say, for example, we will first here filter the activities with activity name, modify with activity name contain asphalt, where activity name contains asphalt. So click on OK, apply, and we will remove the WBS here. Group and sort, delete, apply, OK. So this is all my asphalt works. Okay. So I am going to assign this code to the construction activities. Okay. Because this is my major KPI. So I will click here at the bottom, codes. I will click assign project, because my code is in the project. So here I have asphalt. So what I will do now, I will click on the first activity, press the shift button on the keyboard, and then I will click on the last activity here, the last construction activity, not the engineering and not the procurement activities, but only the construction activities of the asphalt. So I have selected all of them, and I'm going to assign the code only one time. I will click here on the assign sign, just click one time. You don't need to select two times, just select it one time. Just press the assign button. It will take some time. I think it is done now. I will click close this one, and you can see here major KPI asphalt is assigned already here. Okay, you see here, any activity I click, I see major KPI as asphalt works. So this is how you assign your activity codes, to the activities with just one click, with just one click. So keep watching my videos and just subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting your tricks and techniques of Primavera Basics. Thank you.